Hello everyone, it's Petko Alexandrov, and in this section I will be talking about buying NFTs. And as you already saw, it's a huge market, and if you're new to this and you jump from platform to platform, you might get frustrated and have hard times selecting your first NFTs. So now I'll be giving you some tips on how you should be selecting your NFTs and why it's important to look at the popular artists. So I'm on Rarible right now, and you can see the top sellers on the front page, and this is with a reason. Okay, these are the sellers that have sold the most NFT for one day in value. Okay, for example, Alex Henry has sold NFTs for 12.5 Ethereums in one day. Now, if I switch to 7 days, you will see that Alex Henry has sold NFTs for 16.83. Okay, so for one day, he sold for 12, which means that the last 24 hours were great for him. And in the past 1 week, he has sold for 4.3. And if I switch, let's see if Alex Henry is in here. No, he's not. Alright, so this is the first tip I want to give you. If you're choosing your artist by this filter, you want to buy NFT from one of the top sellers, make sure to switch through the different time periods, because it might happen that some of the guy had a great day and sold an NFT for a lot of money, but it could be just luck, or it could be speculation as well, okay? So it could be an artist that listed an NFT on a high price, bought it from a different wallet just to get on the first page. So make sure to switch through the different time periods. For example, if I look at Money Grupa, you will see that if I switch to 7 days, it is still in here with 21.4, and if I switch to 30 days, you will see it's still in here with 92.4. Alright, so this gives me an idea that this artist is selling NFTs constantly in the last 30 days, in the last 7 days, and in the last 24 hours. If I scroll below, you will see some of his art, and the next thing I want you to pay attention to is the number of pieces. So for example, this gold money token starts from 2.7 Ethereum, and this is 12 out of 25. As well, the exclusive money token is 21 of the 25. Now, some artists prefer to create many editions for their NFTs, while others create unique NFTs. If I click on Bunny, you will see that this artist creates bigger number of NFTs in one edition. For example, this is 91 of 100. Okay, and then we have 89 of 100, or 417 out of 420. If I click on that, you will see that it costs 0.1 Rari, or this is about $117 for 5 editions. And Rari is the token for the platform. Alright, going back to the first page, I will click on Alex Henry, and you will see that his NFTs are 1 out of 1, which means that he is creating unique NFTs. And personally, I think unique NFTs have more value. So my second tip is to look how many editions the NFT has, or if you're looking for unique NFTs, because this is what the NFTs are, they are non-fungible tokens, you should be looking for artists like Alex Henry. Not promoting him, I don't know the guy, but I know that he is creating unique NFTs that are 1 out of 1, and if you buy one, it will be super unique. Okay, no one else will have it. Now it's another question if you will be able to sell it, but this is exactly what I will be talking about in the next video. And my third tip when selecting the artist is to be someone that you actually know. For example, if we look at the top selling NFT creators in 2021, or we can say that this is for the first quarter in 2021, obviously number one is Beeple, and you can see that he had sold 845 artworks for over $100 million. Obviously, $70 million came from the first 500 days NFT, but you can see that he keeps on selling, okay? So he's not someone that created one-time NFT and is now taking a break on Hawaii, okay? Actually, he could be. But my point of view is that he is the artist who sold the first 5,000 days for a record price, but he keeps on creating new NFTs and selling them, and obviously his name is already quite popular. Then we have Trevor Jones, who has sold NFTs for over $18 million, but you can have a look at the number, okay? 5,284 artworks. Much bigger number compared to what people did, okay, with 845, and he got less in revenue, still obviously awesome revenue. Then we have the 18-year-old crypto art surrealist Fioculus, not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, sorry if I'm not, and they made over $370,000 from an NFT drop on their birthday this year, okay? Or in total over $18 million as well. Then we have the pack with over $16 million with over 1,681 pieces of art, and the list goes on. But what I want you to take out from this video is that there are already popular artists, okay? And you might know these guys from social media, you might know them from blog articles like that one, or you might know them from the different NFT platforms, right? But it's a fact that when popular artists list new NFTs, they have much more value compared to the NFTs that come from newbie sellers. And some might say it's not fair for the new guys, but it is what it is, right? When you are a new YouTuber, you really have to work hard until you get subscribers, so you will have more views on your videos, right? It's the very same thing here. You need to become popular. If you want to become popular, you need to work hard, you need to create something unique, you need to stand in front of the crowd. And if we are looking from the buying perspective, as someone who wants to buy an NFT, definitely looking into the popular sellers or the popular creators is the thing you need to consider. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video with more tips.